Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So just a quick update on Lunar Dragon Day 1. We thought we'd bookend it a little bit, seeing as we did the big launch this morning. So as far as BN goes, the Platinum ballot was about 10 or 11 times oversubscribed. So I apologise to all those that missed out. Those that got the offer and the link, congratulations. And if you could tidy that up within 48 hours, because if you haven't booked it and paid for it within that 48 hours, we'll release the any left over to the rest of the people on the ballot. So yeah, if you could tidy that one up fairly quick, that'd be great. So much for me saying the 1 ounce golds were going to last a week or so. We've just sold out now, so yeah, we've got none of those left. So hopefully you've grabbed the amount you wanted. Otherwise, we will keep trying Perth Mint, see if we can secure some more. But at this stage, we are sold out. The 1 ounce silver, we've still got. We've probably got about 1,000 to go of our allocation. They are on pre-order. No, they're not. They're not on pre-order. They have arrived. They arrived just after lunch. So we'll leave those as a one per customer for the rest of the evening. And then tomorrow morning we'll release those to be open slather, as many as you want until we run out of our allocation. So yeah, if you need more than just the one, stay tuned. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll get them out there and release the balance that we have. As far as the rest of the sizes go, so the 1/2 ounce and the 2 ounce silver dragons, they are on pre-order, but we've got plenty of those arriving. The 1/2 ounce about Wednesday, they should all arrive, and the 2 ounce we're expecting in early next week. The golds, so the 1/10 and the 1/4, we've still got plenty of those left in stock, so grab those while we've got them. That's a really quick roundup. It's been a crazy day. It's been great to see lots of people coming through and some familiar faces, some older faces we hadn't seen for a while, and some new collectors as well, which is always great. Thank you very much for the support during this and your patience and understanding. It's not always easy, these big launches, but this one I think's gone, not without a hitch, but fairly smoothly, all things considered. That's it for now. We'll talk again very, very soon. See ya.